What's the meaning of clinking? Clinking. Clinking.
Clinking. Clinking. Clinking refers to the sound produced by striking two objects together, such as glasses or metal objects. The result of clinking can vary depending on the objects being struck and the force used. In social settings, such as weddings or toasts, clinking glasses is often done as a sign of celebration or to convey goodwill. It can also be used as a form of communication in prisons, where inmates tap on pipes or walls to send messages to other cells. Overall, clinking serves both practical and symbolic purposes in various contexts.